前几天有回大雷雨，哎呦，好了好了，老三，好的好的好的，知道了啊，知道了。哎，你们俩可乖了。那一次我们这一片整条街都停电了，那一次之后好像楼上的空调就不太制冷。我们家是楼上一个中央空调，楼下一个中央空调。大概是400平米的房子，所以如果只有一个中央空调的话就不太够，楼上一个系统，楼下一个系统。那一次停电的时候，楼上的空调系统里面好像有个什么东西就短路了，烧坏了。昨天我们请帮我们家每年来做检查的那个空调公司的人过来，然后他就说换那个东西吧，首先是现在没货，如果他等来了之后要8000块钱美元，他说天哪，然后他说那就真的建议你就不如新换一套空调系统，整个换新的吧。我们也想了想说，你要是8000块钱修，那就真的不如换新的了。所以今天就请人来帮我们装新空调来了。我们家今天要安一个新的空调。Do you guys have everything you need? Do you have all the access,
Yep.
tools, everything?
Everything's good to go.
All right, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
装完了，他说让我现在试试看。OK， 你看见了吗？我们刚才这个87度，现在室温热的真的是要不行的了。这个在屋里面怎么待得下去？太热了，这个真受不了。孩子的屋子在楼上，根本就没有办法住人。现在我们把他们的那些床正好撤下来洗一下。我妈冲到 Costco， 赶紧买了2个电扇，实在是没法待人了。楼上看楼上80多度的时候，楼下只有70多度，所以楼上楼下的温差可以这么大。一个只靠楼下这一套中央空调真是带不动整个家，所以楼上的那一套中央空调必须得赶紧装一个新的，要不然楼下70多度的时候，楼上80多度太难受了。我妈跟我们说，楼上那个空调要是修不好的话，就得把楼下这个孩子们做手工的这个房间给整理出来，然后放床睡觉。天哪，这个房间乱的不是一星半点儿，这不可能很简单的能收拾出来。所以我老公特别有动力的赶紧去找人去装新空调去。 Okay, let's see. Nice. 66, and we just turned it on, right?
Right, we just turned it on.
Okay,
The lines are
so
the ductwork
20
and all that's
degrees.
gonna be really warm. So what you do is look.
Good. Oh, that's nice. I love it. Thank you. 我妈这屋也是，自从那个空调不行了，她就不在这睡了。Okay. Yeah. 一直降温。
Is that all the ductwork cools down and them grills up there cool down?
他说就
Fell 3
是
degrees that quick. Like I say, everything's cooling down.
nice. 他说那个外面现在是100多度，然后咱们这个不是因为坏了，然后就是它就光晒着，然后一直没有制冷嘛，所以他刚刚修好的时候，他说要过一会儿时间它才能整个凉下来。第一次开的时候，然后后面咱们就开就不能再关上了，整个夏天不能关，要不然一下太热了，就是咱常年都不用关了。What's this?
49.
I love it. I love it.
Say, as it cools, it's gonna drop off real
Yeah.
quick.
刚才我妈让俩狗出去上厕所，结果那个修空调的工人还没有整个收拾完，还没走，那个门，哎呦，那个大门还是开着的，吓死了，差点又让他俩给跑出去了，是不是？尤其你没吃完饭呢，回来没有吃完饭不许走啊！听见没有？乖乖，吃饭去啊，吃去吧啊！二哈特别的娇气胃，就是想给他们吃点什么肉啊、罐头啊，一定拉肚子。来，乖，抱抱。所以你就吃点干的狗食吧，啊，乖乖。 看这个毛掉的，天天。再给你看一眼二哈的杰作，拆家真不是说着玩的。回来吃饭。老四不好好吃饭，老三一个人吃2个的。你也不好好吃饭，真是的。非得妈妈守卫吗？这么嫌弃呢？平时我妈给他们2个用那个大骨头，还有火腿，还有鸡蛋煮在一起，然后跟狗粮拌在一起。但是这几天他俩肠胃都不太好，不能吃那些东西，所以就没有办法给他们拌那些。但是光是狗粮的话又很嫌弃。这个还是就只有一个牌子的狗粮他俩能吃，就是老四能吃，换其他牌子的狗粮还拉肚子，特别挑剔二哈的胃。我给他俩都是在饭里面得拌益生菌，就跟孩子吃的那个一样的益生菌，这样的肠胃就能好一点，就是这种的。你俩真舒服啊！天儿太热了，胃口不好，吃个饼干吧，要不然好吗 ？Sit. Good sit. Sit. Sushi. Sit. Good sit. 哎呦，饼干都不想吃啊！这么没胃口呢？吃吧，宝宝，吃吧，行吗？吃了吧？真不想吃啊？那怎么了，宝宝？胃口这么不好呢？那要是实在不吃了，那就刷牙了啊！刷牙吧，刷牙，真乖。刷牙这个喜欢。回家要给爸爸一个门后惊喜还是惊吓
Watch somebody. Yeah? What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? They wanted to scare you. Oh my gosh, that's horrible.
The minute I open it, don't you supposed to scream?
That was a horrible surprise scare. 爸爸说吓人的功夫实在不行啊。
That was a weird scare. You stayed there for so long.
他说
And then you turn around and
他说哪有这么吓唬人的？这个功力不到家。Hey baby, oh my gosh, baby, the house is cool again. Oh my gosh, the AC is working.
upstairs, huh?
Oh yes, that's why mommy's back upstairs. You are my hero. Thank you so much for getting someone to fix it so fast.
Hey, if you have friends that need this guy,
Yeah.
he's a lifesaver. We're gonna
He is a lifesaver. He
we're gonna
just
refer
showed
him
up.
to anybody.
Oh my gosh, this is the best AC guy ever. You guys, anybody who's in Dallas, mark my words, in this hot summer day that you can get someone to come right away and do such a good job, this is your guy.
Yep, the best guy.
Call me up, hit me up for his number.
In many years in my life, I've never had an AC guy do something like that in half a
So
day.
quick,
Not
oh my
half
gosh.
a day.
Half a day,
He
yeah.
drove himself to go pick it up.
Like everybody's like,
2 weeks,
2 weeks
3 weeks,
out,
8 to
you
10
know,
grand,
it's summer,
8 to 10 grand to fix
we're
it.
busy.
Yep.
Oh
Yep.
my gosh.
And then give you the highest quote in order for you to say no.
Exactly.
Yeah, that way.
The guy from the other day, he said like 8 grand,
Eight
freaking grand
8 to 10
just
grand.
to fix it.
The reason why he said that, he just didn't want to fix it. They want me to just give up on
I
it.
bet you, yeah.
Because I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
But anyway.
But anyways, I love you. You're my hero. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
This is
终于降到
It's
70多度了，
So
楼上。
we want to make sure. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Should have
Just
it on
keep
70.
going.
Should be 70.
Yeah, good. 孩子们在楼上玩的这个房间也终于凉快下来了。明儿见，拜拜。